is up, guys? It's Jay or Superflat Gaming here. So today I'm going to talk about what I'm going to do on my channel and why there's no audio in my other videos. So the first thing is that in my other videos, the reason I don't have any audio is because my mic is broken. So I'm going to get a new one either today or tomorrow. And the upload schedule will be once a day at about 6 to 8 is about when I'd say, yeah, because I can't upload that much. I can upload like once a day. I think that's it. That's kind of a lot though, but that's all I can upload. And then I'm gonna be uploading 2K videos, Call of Duty videos, and then on Saturday I'm gonna be playing a random game, like just cause or stuff like that. So yeah, and the reason and if you guys want to see me play any other games, just comment it in the description. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and goodbye.